you're looking to upgrade your TV sound without breaking the bank, a budget soundbar is the way to go. But with so many options out there, finding the best one for your needs can be a bit tricky. So don't worry, we've tested dozens of affordable models, and here are our top picks for the best budget soundbars. First up, we have the Vizio V21D J8. This soundbar is a great choice if you're looking for something simple yet reliable, often priced under $100. It's perfect for boosting the audio quality of movies, TV shows, and video games. The V21 offers solid stereo sound with built-in woofers for a richer experience, even without a separate subwoofer. While the bass response could be better, the soundbar supports DTS Virtual X, simulating surround sound to give you a bigger soundstage. It's a great choice for those who want a fuss-free setup. The V21 connects via HDMI ARC, Bluetooth, or optical input, or even includes a remote for easy control. If you're after a more advanced experience, Bose Smart Soundbar might be your best option. While it is pricier, it delivers Dolby Atmos support, which spreads sound in all directions, including above your head with up-firing drivers. This feature creates a much more immersive experience. It's small but powerful, offering clear dialogue and balanced sound across all genres. The Bose Smart Soundbar also comes with AI dialogue mode, which emphasizes speech for better clarity, and you can even use Bose Ultra Open earbuds as rear speakers for a surround sound effect. Though the bass response is limited, you can pair it with a wireless Bose subwoofer for a more powerful sound. Additionally, with Wi-Fi support, you can stream music from services like Spotify or Apple AirPlay and control it with Amazon Alexa. For those looking for something that balances both price and performance, the Yamaha YAS-209 is a fantastic mid-range option. It includes a dedicated subwoofer, something we don't often see in budget soundbars, which enhances the bass for a more complete experience. This 2.1-channel soundbar offers smooth, clear dialogue and punchy sound with DTS Virtual X to widen the soundstage. The YAS-209 also features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, built-in Amazon Alexa, and even a spare HDMI input, which is rare at this price point. It's a great option for those looking for all-around performance. If you're on limited space, the Sonos Ray might be the solution. Despite its small size, it delivers impressively clear and smooth sound. The bass is subtle but still strong enough to add muscle to your favorite action scenes. While it doesn't have HDMI ARC or Bluetooth, it supports Wi-Fi and allows you to connect it with other Sonos speakers for a multi-room setup. Plus, it pairs well with Sonos Ace headphones for private listening. Though it doesn't have the same HDMI connectivity as others, it's a compact and capable choice for those in smaller spaces or apartments. Finally, we have the Bose TV speaker soundbar. It offers similar sound quality to the Sonos Ray, but swaps Wi-Fi for Bluetooth and doesn't support DTS audio. However, it does come with an HDMI port, making it a solid choice for those who need that connection. Each of these soundbars offers excellent audio quality and features that will make them stand out in the budget category. Whether you want simple stereo sound, Dolby Atmos, or a subwoofer for added punch, there's something here for everyone. Make your TV audio experience come alive with one of these budget-friendly picks.